Kailangan sa place ako. Kailangan natin dyan sa kasi kaya sige, ayun na ba? Parang smile naman pa rin. Ate, pwede ba sa camera pa rin? Harap. Sa camera. Parang mahirap siya. Masaya mo ba? Araw na pasukan. Araw din. Magandang kita. Pare, ilabas mo yung tutuhanan mo. Umiyak ka, umiyak. Malapit na nga ako umiyak eh. Pinapatawa mo na naman ako eh. Ayaw mo sila nila. Eh, maganda yan. Sa layo. Minimum namin dito, 20. O pag malayo, magkakasya niya naman.
So, paano siya naging mahirap, kuya?
Oo, tulad niya nung nangingin. Tapos pag umuulan, papadyak. Kasi wala pong bila rito, ma'am. Kaya ngayon, dapat natawag ka ng panero para kumain.
So, sa tingin niyo po ba, nandito na traffic yung mga ganito?
Minsan, oo, pero kadalasan talaga yung mga driver din na taxi. Kadalasan kasi minsan.
So, last question po. Ano po opinion niyo sa pinabalak na pagban sa mga pension? Ano po opinion niyo sa pagbalak na ban sa medical
Mga tarungan, gamit yun. Kung hindi naman, hindi mawawala natin yung mga ano. Iiba naman sa atin, hindi nakapagaran. Iba, mga mataganda, mga silang kuha ng mga sila, di ba?
kuha? Hello. So, we're here now in Lasal. Lasal. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, let's go find some students to interview. Hi. We want to know your opinion about medical like, what's your opinion about
I don't have anything. They don't really make me collect that much. I mean, they're not persistent.
What do you think are the advantages of medical?
It's a driving one or athletic one. It's I feel like really tired. You want to go someplace far here. I think it wouldn't be such a problem.
Do you think that medical drivers in the way in which we push
Medical ban? There will be a lot of people out of work. Maybe,
instead of a ban totally pedicabs, I think we should focus more on regulating activities. Yeah, like stating a certain amount of fare per distance, stuff like that. Because these people also work, they need this money, of course. Yeah, if they are in any way doing bags, parang we have to take into consideration that maybe that's just how they work. That's how their subculture is, and you cannot, take that against them. You cannot, you shouldn't take that right to have a job. So I don't believe in that.
So, ano po ang inyong opinion sa mga pedicab drivers? Okay sana siya, kaya lang, yun nga, they're overpriced. They overpriced. Why do you think they overpriced? Yung kapag umuulan kasi, that's the time when they're super kailangan sila kasi cars can't, hindi nila nire-risk yung car nila or yung vehicle nila to drive sa baha kasi masira yung makina. So, pedicab drivers, since wala silang makina, so kahit pag ano kataas yun, you can use it for, and since yun yung parang nga sa economics, di ba? Mataas yung demand sa kanila at that moment. So, they tend to overprice kasi alam nilang people are willing to pay kasi